In this episode, a simple rainstick becomes a mini science lab, revealing how sound is created and travels through tubes. First, a cardboard tube is filled with a handful of dry beans or beads and sealed with tape, creating a long resonator. As the rain-like sound is produced when shaken, the beads collide, each tapping the inner walls and creating gentle echoes. Experimenters can vary the sound by changing the tube length or the material inside, illustrating how length and density affect pitch and tempo. It ends with a takeaway. Longer tubes and smaller particles produce slower, deeper sounds, while shorter tubes yield brighter taps and sharper echoes.